Like Wordsworth, Matthew Arnold is lover of nature and inheritor of Wordsworth. Arnold contrasts nature's peace with human turmoil. The scholar's gypsy mirrors Arnold's love of peace and quietness in nature. Stanza 1 to stanza 13 is brimful with the peaceful pictures of the Oxford countryside that is travelled by the scholar gypsy. All subjects of nature refreshes the poet. Cool is his favorite adjective. Arnold's love of quietness urges him to describe some of his best matters as drenched in moonlight. Arnold is a student of Goethe, the religious teacher who showed him the high white star of truth. His passion for truth enables him to describe the thing, flower or bird, stream or hill, exactly as they are, without humanizing them, without veiling them with any philosophy that spiritualizes nature as that she is alive or dwelt in by living beings. Hugh Walker observes the accuracy of Tennyson has been greatly and justly praised, but an exceptionally competent judge, Lord de Tabley, himself not only a poet but one of the most accomplished botanists of his time, give Arnold the preference over even Tennyson. Arnold is very accurate in respect to flowers. In the scholar Gypsy, we find his wonderful accuracy of the descriptions of flowers. Accuracy characterizes Arnold's location and portrayal of mountains, lakes, moors, and rivers. Arnold's natural description is vivid, pictorial, and accurate. To use his own phrase, with his eye on the subject, his love of the Thames deserves a special mention. His simplicity seems no trouble to him, and there is no lack of air and color.